I'm definitely going to hurry up and make this video. Okay, so I should have did this a long time ago. Here's the stuff that I'm trying to add. I'm trying to make this video, this basket, and get this going, because I have another one already set up. So I have my base in the gift bag already, because if I would have put it in it afterward, everything would have fell apart. And I'm going to use some tissue paper for the bottom. I'm going to take my condiments that I want to add in here and set them up. I'm trying to put them in the front, just like that, so you can see everything. And then I'm going to add the condiment bottles. Try to face them out and not have the tissue paper cover them up so much. Got those all situated. Now I'm going to go in and add, I'm not going to add much of anything to this basket because this is just a basic basket. But I'm going to add some snacks. So I want to make sure everything is tied down and, not tied down, but taped down so that way it doesn't fall over. So I'm going to do that. So I have everything stable. Just going to go in and add some of this shred that I have. Now that everything is situated in the bag, you can go ahead and get it closed up now. Next thing you need to do is to blow dry it so that it can seal. If this is only if you have shrink wrap. If you're using cellophane, cellophane doesn't shrink wrap. So alright. And just to make sure when you're doing that, don't get the bow up there. Alright, there we go. I'm gonna have to add some more ribbon to that to make it tighter, but that's it right there. Okay, so now I just need to add a bow and you're pretty much done. Like, this is adorable. So this basket altogether cost me roughly $15 to make. Yeah, this is the finished product. For this, I'm going to charge $45. I have another one right there that I'm going to make too. Thank you guys for watching. Please support, share, like, comment, do it.